What is up, guys? Welcome to Sweets on a Boat, YouTube channel about fixing, driving, and enjoying a boat. If you're a boat enthusiast as I am, consider subscribing, support this channel, and hit that notification so you don't miss out on future videos. So today I want to talk about how to signal from a boat. I'm going to talk a little bit about the equipment, talk about how to use it and when to use it. I will also install a horn on my boat, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to do that during the day. So I'm going to talk about the international rules. So what equipment do you need? Well, that depends on the size of your boat, as the regulations may differ depending on the size of the boat. I will install a horn later, so I'm going to focus this video on that. But regulations say you can have more or less anything on the boat that makes a sound, just to get the attention of other boats or to tell them that you're in distress. But using a product that is intended for marine use, that will always be a safe bet. I will leave some links in the description below. You can go and check it out. So the blast can be divided into 4 different lengths. Super short blast is just a fraction of a second. A short blast is about 1 second. A long blast lasts about 4 to 6 seconds. Then there are blasts that are 6 to 9 seconds. Let's get into some of the signals you can get. So one short blast means that your rudder is working for starboard motion. So your boat will start turning to starboard. 2 short blasts means that you put your rudder in a position so that your boat is going to start turning to port. So 3 short blasts mean that you have your propeller in a backward motion and that your intention is to start backing up. So one long blast is usually sounded as a warning that the vessel is approaching you, that you are in a bend or something. So that's more or less sounded to warn others about your presence. So one that I find super important, and I don't think it's really well known, is the 5 short blasts, like 5 super short, like this. That means that if you're sounding that signal, it's a signal to everyone else around you that you're not fully understanding their intentions. So that's a warning signal. It's warning them that you don't understand what they're doing. You can follow that up with like the 5 super short and 1 short. And that will be, hey guy, I'm not understanding what you're doing, but I'm gonna start steering starboard. Okay, that's super important. I don't know how well known that is. Probably it is. Leave in the comments if you have any ideas about that. And then we have those super long blasts, 6 to 9 seconds in intervals in about 2 minutes between each blast. And that is of course the foghorn. You can hear that if you're living close to a waterway and there's fog, you can hear that noise. So there are different situations when you should and could use a signal. So you can use it to show your presence to other vessels and also to show your intentions. But hey guys, I have a 27-foot... What was that? So I don't think there'll be too many situations when I'm gonna need to use it. But hey, it's good looking and it's good to have it there, and it's better to be safe than sorry if I ever come to a situation when I need it. But for larger ships, of course, this is important to be able to... So they will be able to communicate their intentions, warn other boats, and also tell them more or less what they will be doing next. Limited visibility, the foghorn will be good to warn others, but yet again, I never heard any pleasure boat going around using foghorn. I don't know about you guys. Comment if you usually do that. I never heard one, but perhaps, you know, the background to that is that we're not out boating that much during those conditions. Yeah, alright, so keep these signals in mind, especially those 5 super short ones, followed by some intentions from those large ships. And in the narrow waters and shipping lanes, that could be important. And also think about when a large ship is signaling that they're going to go to starboard, they have put the rudder for a starboard motion, and that means that the stern will be pushed out to port. So be careful out there, listen to these signals, and use them yourself to communicate out there in the waterways. The best thing, of course, is just avoid hazardous situations and know, you know, who's gonna give way and all that, you know. Alright guys, so I'm done. I've been running all the cables. I haven't really attached the horn yet, but I'm just gonna test it out and see if it works. Alright guys, so that worked super good. I'm gonna just install that one. guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification so you don't miss out on the future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.